Oh my God, look what I just found.
There she is.
That's right, I found an amazing deal on a SawStop. Let me show you. I've been looking through Facebook Marketplace for quite a while now, looking for a SawStop. Honestly, mostly just finding trash. And so one day, this beauty pops up on my feed. It was $2,900 and the seller agreed to throw in a whole bunch of extras, nearly totaling $5,000 that I'll be going through later on in this video. So when I saw this, I immediately called my friend and said, hey, let's go pick this up right now. And so we drove over there. Okay, I just arrived on site. I'm just waiting for the seller to let me know which unit to go into, and then we're gonna check out the saw. Can't wait.
There she is. I'm astonished that actually worked.
Okay, there's my SawStop all loaded up on my very sketchy Harbor Freight trailer. I'm gonna drive super carefully home and then you're gonna see us in the shop. See you then.
And there's what it looks like in the back.
I totally forgot to film us getting it off the trailer, but man, it came off quick. The trailer actually pivots and so it just kind of slides off. It's a little dicey, but we got it.
Look at that beautiful thing.
Okay, behind me I have the SawStop and all the accessories I bought on Facebook Marketplace for $2,900. I want to go through with you guys the prices that each one of these things are if you would have bought it brand new and how much I saved. So you guys can let me know down below in the comments if I got a good deal or not. Okay, first things first is the SawStop. This SawStop on the SawStop website is $3,484. I also got these just some guides right here. I have two of them and that is $330. I got the mobile base, which I'm not sure if you can see, but it's down there. That is $469. I got the outfeed table back there. That is $449. I got a brand new dado blade set that has actually never been opened. This hasn't even been taken out, which is $299. I also got the blade, which is $49. I have the dust collector, that thing back there, he just threw it in for free. That dust collector is $360. He also gave me this big 4-inch dust cyclone. This dust cyclone is $180. He also gave me a bunch of like dust collection ports and whatnot, but I'm not including those in this price. So if you were to take everything that he gave me and if you were to buy brand new, the total price before tax is $5,620. Here in Texas, we have sales tax of 6.25%. So the grand total that I would have paid if I had bought this would be $5,971. So if you minus that from the $2,900, I saved $3,071. I don't know about you guys, but that seems like a pretty good deal because I got all this stuff, including those Jessamine guides, which are awesome. I'm gonna use those a ton. So let me know down below in the comment section if you think this is a good deal. And now we're actually gonna use this to build something in this video because I actually wanna test it out with you guys. I'm gonna build a little cabinet that's just gonna sit right down there that's gonna hold my dado blades, my push sticks, and my micro jig gripper. I'm then gonna move it to its final location, which is gonna be sitting somewhere over here where it's gonna sit long term. Just like that, we have a box. Okay, it's all done. Check that out down there. It looks pretty good. It's gonna feel so good to finally organize all my SawStop stuff. Boy, this thing is definitely a dream to work with. The fence is phenomenal. My last one was a Delta contractor saw, and man, the fence was not straight, and it actually took a long time to figure it out. For this fence, dead straight every time, slides back and forth beautifully. The Jessamine guides, those are game changer. Honestly, it like sucks it into the fence and keeps it down. Those are great. This outfeed table, honestly, it sucks. I'm gonna get rid of it. It doesn't quite line up with the saw, and it like sometimes catches, which is a big no-go. But other than that, I'm really happy about it. So with all that being said, let's get this into its final home and we'll wrap this video up. If you guys like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe below. And thanks a lot for watching. Okay, now let's move this to its final location. Now, to everybody who stuck around to the very end of this video, I just want to give you a little reward. I'm going to let you know what I'm building in the next video. I'm going to be using this fridge and this countertop to build mine and my wife's dream coffee bar in our pantry. Until next time, thanks for watching.